we are in government today is all about making things work for the generality of our people and nothing more. Government is all about the people, for the people, and it has to be with the people. When government deviates from what the people want, the kind of suffering that we have today is what we get. But by the grace of God, this year is a deciding year for us, and God always have a purpose for shielding Nigeria from operating. And I know that same God will not allow Nigeria to break. And that's why I have given us another opportunity to choose leaders that will help us to harness both natural and human capital God has given to us. Our problem has been we have not been able to manage both human and natural resources that God has given to us. This election is another election that all of us have to look. A lot of people are like party. It's not about party, it's about the individual. If you look at everybody that is contesting at the presidential level now, we don't want to do experiments again. We don't want a president that will get there and start leaning on the job. We don't want a president that will get there with sleeping. We don't want a president that will get there cabal with the ruling. And you know when cabal rules, what you get today is what you get. So we want a president that already understands what the system is, both business and governance. He knows the difference. We don't want a president that will go to Aso Rock and be admiring the building, saying, "Namikon dey here too." You know, he spent almost 1 year admiring building. Nigeria is not for experiments now, and that is why we, by the grace of God, we are choosing Atiku and our son from Bende State or Okowa to follow him, and at least we can hold our own. And our own is very intelligent, he's a doctor. And Atiku has business sense and the government sense, he has experience. So these are the credentials that we have in Atiku and in Okowa. We are Bende, and our son is the vice president. If we cannot reach Atiku, we can trek to Asaba. And don't forget, his parents, his half parents are from Asia, from Southeast. That's it. And his wife also is our daughter, Oreo, our lead daughter. So you can see, we are the one actually going to the place. So when anybody want to bring issue of ethnicity, we Bende is going to Aso Rock. It's a ritual Ikana and blessing and Ijigba. Ijigba is important. Your Highness, let me draw your mind to. You remember the last election that brought in the president as a real person. You remember there are some areas that we got to. I don't know whether even when we came here, they didn't want us to come here. But we eventually came. And they were saying outside that we should not call the person's name. Instead, we just say he's looking for us or rep, but we should not call his name. And we're like, why are they saying we should not call his name? They say, he doesn't win the election. We call his name doesn't win the election. We now said, we need that jinx to be broken. And we asked that we should pray that jinx is broken, so that he can have in his name that he has also won election. And by the grace of God, that jinx, through your prayer and our prayers, the jinx was broken. And he won the election. He got to the house. The first motion he moved was National Assembly should come and take over our State Assembly. The first motion. He didn't move a motion to come and fix Owan federal constituency. He didn't move a motion that the road from Benin should be fixed. He didn't move any motion that the library that's in the town are fixed, they should come and fix it. He didn't even move motion that they should even bring a university to our West. His first motion was for National Assembly to come and take over Edo State House of Assembly. If National Assembly take over Edo State House of Assembly, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, and the rest, that will be now in charge of House of Assembly. It's against our own children. Is Edo State House of Assembly meant for National Assembly? You see? The other one is that we voted one of our sons. We voted him. We nominated him. Unfortunately, they kidnapped him. You remember?
Yes.
They kidnapped him. Your Highness, we came around, my wife and I, Blessing, we now nominated Blessing to be campaign manager. That time, we said Blessing should be campaign manager. And Blessing was to contest. We said Blessing, no contest. Let this man continue. It was a difficult decision, but even after we took that decision, when I said Blessing should be the one to even go and buy the form. You can imagine, you won't go, House of Assembly will not first go. They can't say, you no contest that. Then after you don't agree, they can't say, you go buy the form for the person who go contest. You know, it's a difficult thing. But Blessing, as a team player, he said, well, maybe that is collective decision. He agreed. And he went and they bought the form. He presented the form to Ohio. Unfortunately, he didn't campaign. They can't kidnap him. We now made him again campaign DG. So all through the campaign, it was him that was going around. It was on Wednesday, a day before the end of campaign, that we got him out. So it was only on Thursday he has to go around. If you remember, and God made it, he won. He won. Did he come for swearing in?
No.
Not only that, sir. While in captivity, when we decided how we zone the position in House of Assembly, we zoned Deputy Speaker to Owan West. So if he had made himself available for swearing, he would have been the Deputy Speaker. And I told him, it's not like we had a meeting after the election. We said, you are going to be the next Deputy Speaker. Your Highness, he didn't make himself available. Owan West missed to be Deputy Speaker. Owan West, for 4 years now, nobody is representing you. Now they are still bringing the person back. You just imagine that kind of party. The way they throw us. That's why they can have the infantry to throw away governor and deputy from their party. And it's a blessing for us, you can see.
I'm praying again that through all of you will win.
Amen.
I have never prayed and everybody prayed. The last election, the time you people up, I prayed that say they will lose you, and they did lose you. You won. You are going to win again.
Amen.
Francis Magina has done so much for us. Okide Primary School, 11 Primary School, he gave us more buildings. The library today, we are using part of it to give some women, like you say, center for them. Because the library is very nice. So we are using that for a health center now. So it's a plus for us. Because we have 2 wards in Zebra. Ward 10 and 9. Ward 9 has no facility, health facility. I appealed to him. He promised he was going to do it. And I'm sure he's going to do it. I'm binding him again now. So, like I prayed for you the other day when you won the election, I'm praying again that you are going to win. From A to Z. From A to Z. So, thank you very much for coming personally. I'm so honored that the deputy governor had to visit my palace today. Like I told you, I said, Philip, you remember him in the Bible, who was telling that a eunuch from Ethiopia. You understand what you are reading? When he told Prophet Philip to come to the chariot, and he explained everything to him. You know, I told you that day. Then I told the governor that Oba psyche means you are more than a crowd. Oba psyche, you are more than a crowd. And you won, so you will win again. And I pray that as you come back here, if you come here safely, you will go back safely. Take my message to His Excellency that I'm 100% behind you people.
Greetings, people. What's 10? Finish. Hey, I'm on now. Hey. Give it to a boy. You graduate from school, there's a job waiting for you. For those of us who were very intelligent, we had cars already given to us, even while we were in school. We want to go back to those old days, where rice was 7,500, where we can easily buy food ingredients with ease. I want to let us know that there is no need for anybody to risk our boat. The PDP has taken to rescue Nigeria, and we have the people that are capable, tested and trusted, especially with the recommendations from our able deputy governor, the governor who is in charge of Edo North. We know since he has backed us up, there is nothing that's going to stop us. So I want to conclude by pledging my allegiance for Ward 10 as the leader of Ward 10. Sir, this is just a little you have seen. By the time we bring out the votes after the election, I know you will come back and give us a special gift. And at the end of the day, when we accept that gift, as Oliver Twist, we will ask for more. They will say, talk to my PA, talk to this one. We not see them again, they don't come back to us. Because of that one, Excellency, we want to apologize. Our people are not increased.
Yes.
We voted for our brother. The first motion to be moved in the House was that National Assembly should come and take over and do House of Assembly. Only a bastard will point left finger to his father's house. Because of that singular reason, we have decided in our federal constituency to return it back home.
That we have buried APC here today. Yes. So APC will now rise up again. Yes. For all this one I've seen now, we are going to have 100% in this world for PDP. I have two news for you. The first news is that PDP is one now. No fashion again. That matter has been laid to rest. And we have candidates now. The candidates of PDP are Abubakar Ogowa for presidency, myself, Robo Sef, Senator Ligena for Senate, Jimo Egba for House of Reps, then House of Assembly. These are the candidates of PDP.
As una come join us today, na better party una come enter. No be party wey carry hunger, no be party wey carry poverty, no be party wey dey share cutlass, wey dey share hoe. Na party wey dey share development. So make una know say, as una take the step to join PDP, una no make mistake. And for the women, make una know say, me I stand gidigba for my fellow women. Una welcome PDP.
Fatima and Yabo and our elder, our women, and all the pieces, and our elders when they give them all the power. I thank all of them. And by the grace of God, we will rescue Nigeria together. Amen. Senator of talk, our Abuja direct, Dubai talk. blessings, these people have been very well. The same thing all of us they talk. We say this hunger. I don't know whether they here. You know, I want to know whether I did here because when I asked just now, what you just tell me say they said they 3 bedroom, they build upstairs.
That's okay.
Now I say our hunger will come through upstairs for this side, for Nigeria. Why? House of Assembly we una vote for, he run away. So our hunger no go dey. Una vote for am make it run away. No. Una vote for am make represent una for government. Make help everybody, make it help everybody for Owan West. But instead, he carry the thing, he run away. Then the other one, where all of us pray. Not that election had us because when they do election, when they do campaign physically, we can't do spiritual join. We can't join spirits. We can't pray to God join the matter. And why we add physical and spiritual for the election? They say they win election. Why we give a ticket? Now remember? Yes. Now remember? Yes. One guy when they call Naim this or something like that. They say in the second last now. They say that time they say they win election. Two of us. True. Now me talk about that time they say they win election. Say that of course. Don't say that talk. We can't say what we help them. Now all of us come they pray. We come they campaign. They join out with prayers. They campaign. They join out with prayers. When I remember say we go some places, they say more no call the name, more just say the man going for House of Rep. I don't know where I remember. I remember. When we reach some places, they say more no call the name. This time when I say the man going for House of Rep. So when we reach some area, I will say the man going for House of Rep. When I reach some area, I will say professor. We don't go put very, we just say professor. Because they say more don't call your name. Say if you call your name, you will win. It's a virus. Now we can't pray. God can't answer the prayers. He can't win the election. When you win finish, the first motion we go move. Say make National Assembly can't take over a House of Assembly. I don't hear that country before. You say make another group can't take over your house. That is make Abuja people can't take over Owan West. They will drive all over and they will come take over here. Una see why they win election before. God just show us say, I know why I never let her win. But una have the break, okay, I grant her. Una go see what he will do now. Una see what he don't do also. No, it not let be that one. The other one, the virus can't affect the other one. The other one first go House of Assembly. You can't go vote campaign for him. He can't win finish. The virus can't interact too. You don't come go for swearing in. When I remember saying a blessing face when I been see that time. Because it was the campaign manager. Now him they go round. Now he will take go round. When I say House of Assembly, we will call blessing out. But no blessing will be support that time. Blessing was just teaching campaign. And this blessing, now if you won't go, because say no, make you no go. Make we allow Mike. Blessing, as humble as he is, say well, now till we agree, no problem, make you go. To robber him, because say okay, if you no say you agree, make you go. I go buy the phone. Blessing now, come go buy the phone. Come give her. When they kidnap her, we can't say blessing, take over the campaign. Now, the blessing now don't break. Between blessing and that person, who will go vote for? I want to know. Between blessing and that person, who will go vote for? Because if you vote for blessing go house and he go represent you well. Blessing no go talk say it's cheaper to go to London than to come to Owan West. So I beg. Senator, they don't even go that side. No. Say oracle of development. And our king just talk now. Say he now talking now to national chairman of PDP, Senator Ayu, and the leader of the party in the state, the governor of the state, Mr. Gordon Obaseki, and our state chairman, Right Honorable Tony Azebini, I present this umbrella to my brother on behalf of every other members that have joined you. For your hero men. Welcome to PDP. See the APC card. So we'll tear them. On behalf of the leadership of our party, I present this umbrella as the symbol of our party to you, and together we will drive poverty, together we will drive kidnappers, together we will rescue Nigeria and our state. On behalf of the national leadership of the state, I present this umbrella that will cover ourselves to rescue Nigeria and say bye-bye to kidnappers and say bye-bye to hunger and bye-bye to poverty. Together we shall do that.
First of all,